Okay, now we're coming up to the final monorail of the trip here in Seward, Nebraska. And this is an actual Superwash location for once. Okay, I think I see it down there. Yeah, so this is like, I think my 6th monorail, so yeah. Yep, see it. Yep, it's on the left. Car wash for sale. Oh, and they have the newer Superwash, I guess, what's it, Supermatic signage. Cool. I wanted to find one of those. Yeah, so this car wash is for sale. If anybody wants to buy it. Yep, the signage has been updated too. This used to have the old traffic light signage. Oh, and it's been upgraded to a turbo model. And the prices have been upgraded. Actually, before we pull up, there are your options. 8, 9, 10, 11. So they have modern Superwash signage, which is kind of neat to see. I love these arches. They look really good. So yeah, this one's been upgraded to a turbo one. I mean, okay, cool, but the last Street View showed this, or picture shows this as regular. So yeah, that's cool. Yeah, okay. Yep, alright. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do card, because I don't have $11 in coins. So yeah. Yep. It doesn't. It's not yellow, but yeah. Turbo Supermatic. If only they refreshed ours back in my hometown, because I really like these. There we go. So actually now half of the monorails I filmed were these turbo ones. So now you can see a restored monorail. Dark in here too. Is this soap like purple or pink? Yep. Pink, yeah, pink pre-soak. Oh, is this the green stuff that the one at my hometown used to have? I think so. Yep. I remember the stuff used to smell really good, and it does. These things like vibrate the whole car. Ceramic coming out of a monorail? Interesting. Right over the door. Slow door. I don't know if there's drawers unless they added some. Doesn't look like it. Yep. Yeah. Good monorail. Well, hopefully a good person buys this place. So hopefully this video will help to get the word out. I mean, yeah, the automatic's in great shape. I think the rest of the place might be in decent enough shape, but yeah, looks like they modernized it and then sold it. So, yep. So without further ado, let's see. I'm showing. Actually, wait, never mind. Well, yeah. Just without further ado, thank y'all for watching. That'll be it.